Happy 4th of July and welcome to the Dairy Digest. I'm Dr. Jackie Borman. In today's installment of the Purdue Dairy Digest, we will be talking about if you should be drinking A2 milk. A2 milk has been available since the early 2000s, but it is only recently that I've seen a larger marketing push and a national ad campaign for A2 milk. The national campaign implies that drinking A2 milk will help people who have problem digesting milk, and many people would link this to lactose intolerance. First, we probably need to define what we are talking about when we say lactose intolerance and A2 milk. Lactose is the sugar that is present in milk. It is made of two simple sugars, glucose and galactose, and milk contains about 5% lactose. People who are lactose intolerant do not make enough lactase, the enzyme that breaks down lactose. They will then have lactose that will ferment in the large intestine instead of being digested in the small intestine, and this will cause bloating and digestive issues. This is a condition that impacts a portion of the population, and as people consume less milk, they produce less lactase. A2 milk has no relationship to lactose. It is referring to a portion of the protein in milk. Milk protein is made of casein and whey proteins. Casein protein is about 80% of the milk protein, and whey protein makes up about 20% of the milk protein. There are three major casein proteins, one of them being beta-casein. A1 and A2 milk are the two types of beta-casein protein. Cows can be tested by collecting a hair sample to determine which beta-casein they produce. These two beta-casein proteins are very similar in amino acid structure and differ by just one amino acid. So from a nutrient standpoint, they are very similar proteins. Milk that you buy on store shelves has a combination of A1 and A2 beta-caseins. There have been some small animal studies that show that A1 protein may slow down the movement of food through the digestive system. However, a full literature review has shown no evidence that A1 proteins are harmful to health. If people have no issues with digesting milk, A2 milk, which is available on store shelves, is probably not needed. If someone does have digestive issues when they consume milk or dairy products, trying lactose-free milk is more likely to help. Looking for products that are lactose-free or have reduced lactose content. If less lactose does not help, by all means try A2 milk. You may be part of a small population of people who respond better to the A2 beta-casein protein. The most important thing to remember is that milk is a nutrient-dense product that is rich in bioavailable calcium and provides 7 other essential nutrients that are often limiting in the American diet. Drinking milk has been linked to improve long-term health outcomes, so consume milk and dairy products for both taste and health.